Good afternoon, dear friends and professionals and sugar mill owners. Here the today is again the topic what you have selected for me is the sugar industry. Sugar industry last almost 20 years I am associated. As you know, I am associated. So many large corporates I handle like Bajaj Sugar, Balrampur, Semboli Sugar, and many cooperative factories I have handled. Sugar industry is not just about sweetness. It is the backbone of Indian economy. It direct and indirect give almost 2.5 million people means 2.5 करोड़ लोगों को रोजगार देता है. It's creating now it is creating lot of renewable energy also and a very strong substitute of petroleum. And as you know, your most of the foreign money, forex go by importing the oil. So this is giving a strong support. Now the sawal is here today. I have lot of queries from the people, lot of questions from the people. What is SDF? So I will take first 5 minutes. What is the SDF? SDF means Sugar Development Fund. This is created by the government of India based on lot of experts advice that challenges in sugar industry. So the sugar is mainly SDF don't only provide the money, they don't only provide the financial support, they provide the technical support. They understood industry. So they suggest you what are the good way to utilize your capacity. As you all know, and most of professionals and the mill owners will agree with me that all are lot of shortcuts are there. Manipulate the production capacity, manipulate the power generation capacity, manipulate the ethanol capacity. But what is the result? You borrow the money as a term loan, and then time of the repayment, since your capacity is not what exactly you borrowed, so again next year you have a pressure on your balance sheet, and once you put the money on the increasing capacity, your depreciation kill everything. And as you know, without profitability, here profitability means PAT, till you have a PAT in your balance sheet, till you have a profit after tax in your factory, you won't get a good manpower, you won't get a good price, and then cost of price increase. It go, see, cooperative banks are giving up to 13 to 15%, and then you become NPA and you go on CDR, you go on NCLT, and then your life, your employee's life become hell. And to what are the solution? I suggest from last 20 years of my experience, I suggest go to the SDF. And now the question is, who can take the benefit of SDF? Number one, mill must be registered under the central government. Primarily, mills focusing on modernization, ethanol project or improving efficiency. Indirect benefits include farmers' timely payment and the local economy. If farmers get timely payment, they produce very good quality of the cane. The quality of the cane means the recovery go up to 12.5 to 13%. If you don't give the timely money, your recovery will be less than 8% or 9%. If just to imagine, if your recovery is approx 8.5 to 9%, how you will make money and how you will repay your debt and salary? How? No, it is difficult. So again I tell, why SDF? Expert advice, lower interest rate and higher chance of survival in volatile times. बाजार बहुत खराब है, शुगर का बाजार बहुत खराब है. सरकार डिसाइड करती है कब बेचना है, गवर्नमेंट डिसाइड व्हेन टू एक्सपोर्ट। ऐसे में आपको छोटा छोटा चीजों पे, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पे, ऑप्टिमम यूटिलाइजेशन द प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी, multiple valuation by using the startups and young generation for creating a value-added product. These are the method you can use that. Thank you very much. I feel you have some questions, and it will be nice to me if I come to know what are your question, so we can pinpoint your problem. Thank you very much. Now session is open.
सर एसडीएफ लोनवर किती टक्के व्याज मिळते?
ओके मैडम, एचडीएफ लोन आप इंग्लिश समझते हो या हिंदी समझते हो?
हाँ सर.
ओके, सो मैडम एचडीएफ लोन इज मेनली नॉट लाइक ए लोन, इट इज like a support to the sugar factories. So this means sugar development fund. It costs much more lower. If you see the bank like cooperative bank है वो 13-14% में देता है, सरकारी बैंक है वो 10-11% में देते हैं, लेकिन जो भारत सरकार एचडीएफ लोन है वो 4% से 8% में देता है. सो अगर आप देखें तो आपका पर ईयर पर करोड़ करीब आपका मोटा मोटा 4-5 लाख का फायदा है. अगर आपने 200 करोड़ का लोन लिया है तो 5% का मतलब अगर आप देखेंगे तो आपका मोटा मोटा 20 करोड़ का फर्क आता है. सो मैं बार बार सारे प्रोफेशनल्स को भी बताता हूँ, सारे मिल ओनर्स को भी बताता हूँ कि शुगर के लिए सबसे पहला लोन एचडीएफ लेना चाहिए मैडम.
ओके सर.
थैंक यू मैडम.
सर एसएसजी फंडिंग के बारे में थोड़ी इंफॉर्मेशन मिल सकती है और इसका शुगर इंडस्ट्री को क्या बेनिफिट होगा?
ओके महेश जी, एसएसजी मीन्स व्हाट?
स्टेट शुगर गारंटी.
ओके, वेल इन्फॉर्म. सो आपको मैं बताऊं, जो एसएसजी है वो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का शुगर ग्रांट है. एसएसजी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट शुगर ग्रांट. सो ईच स्टेट हैव ए डिफरेंट पॉलिसी. आपका स्टेट जो महाराष्ट्र है वो शुगर में बहुत सेंसिटिव है और आपकी सरकार बहुत एग्रेसिव है और बहुत प्रोग्रेसिव है. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द मिल ओनर्स एंड प्रोफेशनल्स इन महाराष्ट्र they don't understood the value of the sugar grant. So they go to the cooperative bank, they borrow 14-15%. They go to the banks and they borrow. Even I seen lot of people are even borrowing from Patperi. That create a difficulty before the sugar factory. Better go to the state government, approach to the companies. Like if you are a cooperative, approach to the One More Chance, Venture Studio Capital, BDO. Then if you are a rated company, Care Finrace, if your company are promoted by women entrepreneurs, Jago Nari Federation, they help you how to get professionally, they help you. And this money is very useful because this is a grant, as the name itself is very clear, it is a grant, so you need not to pay. It help to reduce your cost of burden. It help you to update your factory. It help to update technology and it increase the sustainability. So government of Maharashtra, I feel government of UP and some part government of Punjab have a very good model. But out of that, government of Maharashtra is the best. As per my 20-25 year experience, the policies of government of Maharashtra is best and the people really are lacking to utilize this benefit. I request professionals and factory owner to create their specialized team and do that. I think you are clear.
यस सर, आपने एसएसजी के बारे में अच्छी इंफॉर्मेशन दी. मेरा और एक सवाल है, ईएसजी फंडिंग क्या है और वो शुगर इंडस्ट्री से कैसे रिलेवेंट है?
ओके महेश जी, ईएसजी मीन्स एनवायरमेंटल, सोशल एंड गवर्नेंस बेस्ड फंडिंग. Generally, this kind of the fundings are given by the NGOs and the CSR funds who have a concern in environment, who want a clean technology, green technology, and who want to see the nation progressing. So the major people who are doing this are say Infosys, Narayan Murthy Saab have a foundation, Azim Premji Saab have a foundation, even Gautam Madani ji have a foundation. and if you see the overseas, Bill Gates Foundation Fund, then you see the other foundation like American Development Foundation too. So under this, they study your project, they understood your practices, and mainly the ESG funds for waste to energy and eco-friendly initiative can attract green finance. Over and above, if your factory is promoting sugar value additions, a startup, you get that. And again, I tell you, sustainability is no longer an option. It is the ticket of cheaper and better finance. Means, if you think that by doing tricks, by manipulating the things, you will run the factory, you will make profit. No, that era is over. This is the pure digital AI era. Anybody put the data in system, we come to know what is your production capacity, how much you are generating electricity, because your bank statement speak everything. What is the total value you are getting by selling the electricity? What is the value you are getting from ethanol? Sugar may be here and there you can adjust. But again, when somebody go and check your total recovery, total balance sheet and whatever you do, but you cannot manage your PAT. And finally, every fund, every investor see your PAT. Nobody give the money for charity. So it is better like how you asked the first question, SDF. Second question is your how the state HSG. And third question is your ESG. You had to understood all three, and I am very happy that you people are progressive people. You are asking a question. Generally, I don't get this kind of the question. So I am very happy that you people are asking that what is the ESG, how to use ESG, how the SGS, how to do that. So that is the. But again, I tell, after this session, you have to practice this, because the sugar is all about sustainability, and sustainability is only possible when you reduce your cost of operation, means cost of fund, and you have to understood that optimum utilization of your production capacity. Don't listen if any consultant tell, any person tell that I get you 150 crore rupees by increasing the capacity. I tell, once you increase capacity, next year your turnover don't increase, your profitability don't increase. Third year itself you will be part of NPA. And then the due diligence, the all forensic auditor will legally found that you have manipulated, and then it go to the willful default, CBI, ED. Then maybe by your PR company blame that the government is behind you, you are the opposition or you are a position, but don't help. Finally, you have to repay the money. So it is a better, you people have to use all three by the professionals and give the complete seriousness and reduce the cost of your factory. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your nice information.
Thank you. I'm hopeful that you people will use this. But this must not be a part of this only conference, or this not be a part of just a other thing. You have to practice this in your practice.
यस सर, ये इन्फॉर्मेशन बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रहेगा जो शुगर इंडस्ट्री के रिलेटेड है.
आप नहीं रिलेटेड हो?
यस सर, मेरे साथ जो भी और सर्च कर रहे हैं बट जिनको इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं मिल पा रही, ये इन्फॉर्मेशन बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. I also want to ask one question.
Yes, madam.
Sir, you have explained ESG very well. You have told who are providing ESG. But can you tell me what are benefit of ESG finance?
Okay, madam. Thank you. So your question is, what are the benefit of the ESG fund?
Yes, sir.
Right, madam? So the first benefit is ESG fund is a cheaper borrowings.
Okay.
सस्ता है, मतलब ये पैसा सस्ता होता, because these funds are designed to help the social cause, to environmental cause, and promote the green revolution. Long term financing, because these funds managers understood the improvement require time,
Okay.
and they don't invest for the profit making. So it's a long term. So you can use this money for updating your technology, for doing a better restructuring, and it's improve your brand reputation. Because whenever ESG fund come, lot of media follow you, lot of people believe that company sugar mill are practicing very transparently and they are using very high value and moral in their administration and operation. And once ESG fund you receive, it increase the confidence of the other lenders, because the due diligence process is very tough, transparent. So when you get the ESG fund, all investors and promoters feel that the company is very good, the company is very transparent, and company are properly professionally managed, and they are doing a value addition for the society. And then overall 360 degree, you become like a Tata, you become like a Jindal, you become like Infosys, you become like a hero, and so your reputation increase.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Guys, I tell you what is the outcome, what is the takeaway of this program. Those who understood and utilized funds like SDF, SSG and ESG, lending and CSR will be leaders of tomorrow. वही राज करेगा शुगर इंडस्ट्री में, महाराष्ट्र में वही राज करेगा जो SDF, SSG एंड ESG को यूज करेगा. फिर रिपीट करूंगा, महाराष्ट्र शुगर इंडस्ट्री में वही कंपनीज राज करेंगी जो SDF को, CSR को और SSG फंड को यूज करेंगी, अपने कास्ट को नीचे करेंगी, अपनी इफिशियंसी को बढ़ाएंगी, वही बचेंगी. नहीं तो अगर आप देखेंगे 150 से ज्यादा फैक्ट्रियां एक्शन पे लगी हैं, 50 से ज्यादा फैक्ट्रियां बंद होने के कगार पे हैं और कोई बैंक उनको फंड करने को तैयार नहीं है. सो ये मेरी बात याद रखना.